Okay, Kotenesh Hanata Mal.
Follow the tour guide. Follow the tour lady.
You got the safari.
I'm having a great time. Are you having a great time, mister?
Don't have a good time, have a great time.
Have a great time. Ow! Ow! I passed by and a cactus and it stabbed me.
You know why? They know you've been kicking too many plants.
They knew. I regret nothing and I shall do it again. Hola.
Hey, you.
Yeah, see.
You can grab. There are the coatis,
See.
the little birds.
Where? That's not a bird.
Maloki, happy birthday with me, Maloki.
Maloki.
We will get a better view from here.
Oh, from the side. Oh, thank you. Yeah, can I come in? Thank you.
No, you can't pet them.
No, they feral. Oh, they're so cute, aren't they?
But I will tell the English in Mayan language.
Oh, not the trash.
Why we are angry with them?
He eat trash.
Yeah.
No, bad monkey.
Okay. Really? No. This is chaya. Chaya. Say with me, chai.
Chives.
Chai, it's Mayan language. It's a plant. It's like a spinach.
Yum.
You can eat also with eggs. Or with, you can prepare a green
Omelette.
juice. Omelette. The raw tamal, we need to cook it. But this is already mixed the masa with salt. In Mayan, we say ta'ab.
Ta'am.
Ta'ab. Banana leaf. And here we have the corn masa mixed with the chaya, the tomato sauce, and the egg coated in slices. You will receive a little piece of this. Remember also we're talking about the beginning of the Mayan cuisine, the Mayan kitchen. So also this is part of the rural area.
Oh, he found something. What is that? What is he eating? No, puppy.
He eats everything.
He eats everything?
Tree bark.
Also human. Be
Oh
careful.
no.
Oh no.
Baby's human. No, baby.
One of these
This is
dancing.
mesa.
After the ball
and
game
this
finish,
leaf that we
after
saw
the dancing
earlier,
finish,
tomato
you decide
and
if you want to
hard-boiled egg.
take tequila or no. If
Look
you
how
say
many
no,
eat them
you
from
can
the boat.
return or you can follow me to the
Tomato,
restaurant.
yes.
There in the restaurant, you will be the first ones
No,
that
I eat egg with
make
tamales
a line
only.
for our buffet. So it's up.
We're heading to the buffet place now, and then
I think the ball game too.
I think ball game first, then the buffet.
Probably. Maybe. Don't know.
The ball game is now protected by national. They have national treasure, and so we're watching a performance, not exactly a game. But I'm excited all the same.
Are you ready for picture?
You ready?
Mucho perdón.
Ready? All together, all
This
together.
is the last picture of your life.
Last picture of the life.
Picture. You want a picture together, honey? Why not? Hola, hola.
If you can help me and she can have a seat here, it's better, it's more safety for her. Where are the team? They are there, but they are naked. They are dressing themselves. Other question? Who is gonna be sacrificed?
Mama!
We said her.
She said me.
Yeah, mama.
The winners! The winners!
stil. Inka maete la winik timeno, brat sin winik le markomo. Sitte la sutte, ale yenoko, ale baskare mokamo. Okay, malo mai sutte, okay, vedi testa sima ko, ai tima ki gol ni tele musica deo. Ambeli, chantea este la masa, okay, nos maya. Maya. Walk to Kimila, we clean Misha walk to Kimila, Tikupata Latam, but I came a king wall, Hotenesh de la Bukam, Alcanes Pumbalano. Maya Kimeno! Maya!
Tequila.
So my friends, today
it is a special occasion. That means we're gonna start over with our family reserve. Okay, we're gonna skip these 3 tequilas. We're gonna start with the extrañejo, and then we're gonna try a couple of flavored tequilas. All these are the new generation of infused tequilas. They're all remixed with.
Hi there. My wife is coming up. Can I have 2?
Yep.
Oops, sorry. Thank you very much.
Okay, familia, everybody has tequila, right?
Okay, this one's the first one. Don't drink it yet. We're gonna drink it together.
Caramely, fruity smell, you know, almost like agave nectar. There's no nasty burning sensation in your nose, okay? It smells very clean. Now, how are you gonna drink it?
Smell like
This is very
dessert.
important. First of all, no lemon salt. Lemon salt is just a commercialized Mexican yoga, okay?
Mexican yoga.
Whenever you're ready, everybody, let's say salud.
Salud!
Enjoy, don't hatch. Swallow first, then in through your nose and slowly out through.
It smells like perfume.
Everything. Good?
Salud.
Salud. Is that what adults do on cruise?
Breakfast,
Yep.
alright?
Oh, yeah.
Ooh,
One shot of these in the morning and you wake up like a Mexican.
Champion. And what if you're
Family, be
Mexican
careful.
already? You
Be
pick up this
careful.
one.
it's very
Shots
smooth.
of these in the morning, might wake up with a Mexican. So be
How's it?
I'm
Familia,
confused.
how was it?
It was good. What do you think?
Coffee or was it?
Yeah, I just tasted coffee because it's so smooth.
It's so good. Check
So
it out.
good?
We make our tacos. This taco shell, the tortilla shell, we make over there. We saw them at it.
So we saw them make the tortillas. There's 2 types of tacos, by the way. There's this chicken here.
That goes good with them like this. Like cooking feel, like cooking feel. Boom, 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 boom.
She also got half a watermelon there.
It was 2 slices.
2 slices.
Oh.
2 slices. Okay. And what else do you have on your plate?
That was fried beans.
You fried beans and rice?
Rice.
Looks so good.
Cucumber.
Alrighty. And then what do you have to drink? So we also have hibiscus tea. Yay!
Oh, favorite. Smells like flour. Tastes like flour.
Alright, we're gonna enjoy the rest of this and then we'll probably be done with this and we'll go to shopping.
A little bit of a backstory for the tour that went to. It really is sweet, wonderful, personal experience. The tour guide explained to us, which makes sense. They have 6 months of good, what they call good, which season, which is very popular with tourists, with the sunshine, beautiful, blah 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 blah. But then they have 6 months of typhoon. What Caribbean tend to do that? With 6 months, they have no tourists, they have no sort of income, So the fact that we went to a excursion, we're supporting these people for the high season, so they work really hard to save up. And the 6th more month of typhoon, they sit back and wait. It is a frustrating thing, as we know we have now season 2 and it's terrible. So not at all feel bad. Every penny we spend on the what's that called? Excursion, because also.
So with the excursion as well, since we already prepaid for the entire thing, we got the food, we got the trip, we got the ride, and we got to see everything, try everything. All of that was already paid with the excursion prices. However, what it doesn't do is it doesn't cover up the bus costs. It doesn't cover the fares for the people who worked there, the one who did everything. They get a little bit of it, but mostly the ship gets it. So it's very highly encouraged that you tip. Tip the person who does something for you, the person who brings you your water, if you order some extra water. Tip the person who gave you some cacao seeds, if they gave you any. The one who poured you your drink, anything like that, because they are also living on those tips as well. Your driver, your tour guide. So make sure to bring in some extra cash, some ones, fives, however much you want to, so you can tip some people as well there.
Yeah. So for that, you know what to do.
You know what to do. Hit the button down there. And when you want to learn more,
Follow me. Follow Aoi. And Mr. Shani. I got smartened up to go to Jinjin. Look how pretty Mama is. Hi, Mama. Okay, so let's just see what it's all about. Hi there. Good evening. Oh, thank you. Sorry. Go ahead. Ooh, it looks so sophisticated. So we're in the Crown Grill, and so sophisticatedly located on the back of level 6.
we're in the level 7.
Level 7, back ship. Crown Grill. Let's see what this is all check out about.
Okay, so we have a lot of good. Oh my gosh, it all looks really good. And all the courses include one main course. It looks good, doesn't it?
You look very promising. I'm really digging the seafood section over here.
Me too, I am too. Maybe some surf and turf.
I'll show you what is all we're working with later when it comes out.